What's up guys, today we are looking at the iPhone P10 portable SSD. It is a 1 TB version that I have bought. It is in white color. You can find it in other colors as well. It is specifically designed for iPhone MagSafe compatibility in mind, so for people who need a lot of storage to attach to their iPhone without adding a lot of bulk. It is designed with that. It just clips back to your iPhone without any issues. It is tiny and it is very lightweight, so that's its main purpose. Many people keep a lot of pictures. You may also be a content creator, so for example, if you are shooting ProRes video on your iPhone or just want super fast pocketable external storage, this little device might surprise you. So let's check it out. Inside the box you get the SSD itself, which looks really cute, to be honest. Then you get two different cables. One is 180-degree angle so that you can easily plug it into your iPhone, and the other one is straight. Both are tiny cables, but one is angled for iPhone compatibility or Android if you have a MagSafe compatible case like I do for my Samsung phone, and one is straight one that you can use to connect it to the MacBook. Of course it works with Xbox, MacBook, Windows and other things. Its main purpose is MagSafe. Like the main purpose is it is designed to work with iPhone MagSafe, but it is still a normal SSD, so you can use it with anything else. And they claim speed and performance wise, they claim that it can give you read speeds of up to 2 megabytes per second, which is 2 GB per second, which is, I think, a great performance for this kind of tiny SSD. I mean, look at it. So, and this speed is with the latest Gen 3.2 USB. Most of the cases the people using it will not have it, so the speed will be lower, but it will be still around 700 to 800 MBs depending on what kind of setup you are. So it is great for people who take a lot of pictures or just use their iPhone as their main computing device. I have seen many who are not, like for example my sister-in-law, she is not a content creator, but her iPhone is always filled with something. Most of her apps are like offloaded. Whenever I ask her to open an app and order something, she says, oh, let me just download it because my iPhone offloaded it due to low storage. So whenever I see this SSD, I always think of her. So there are a lot of people who need a lot of storage, and buying it on iPhone, like buying it extra storage, costs a lot. And this one on the other hand is, I think, around $150 without discount on Amazon. So it's less costly as compared to like buying an iPhone. And let's see its weight. Actually, let me do a quick weight check. It is around 39 grams with magnets and everything. If you can make it, 39 grams, which is not a lot, which is under 40 grams. And let's see. Let me take my iPhone and snap it. Which one? I think this area will snap, right? Yeah, see, as you can see. And I also have my Samsung phone here, and it is I am using a MagSafe compatible case, so let's try it there. See, so it will work with my Android phone as well as my iPhone. I mean, isn't that great? So if you want to add extra storage to your iPhone or your Android phone, then you can buy something like this. This is made by Afro, and it has other properties. I mean, not just that. This is the main property, but it has a lot of speed in terms of 2 gigabytes per second on the right environment. And then it has I think, is it rugged? No, it is not waterproof, so be aware for that. It is slightly pricier version as compared to normal one due to its MagSafe functionality, but I think it is still worth it. Let's try plug it and get it in. See, so this is how it will work. Okay, see, it is right here, Afro, and you can just copy and paste the data here, and you can just keep it like this. See, use it as long as you like, it will not fall off, and when you're done you can just remove it and be done with it. You will always have it in your Files app and on your iPhone. So that's great, right? Again, it works with iPads, and I think maybe it were I think it is not designed to work with Lightning. I'm not sure about it, to be honest. If it is designed to work with it, you will need the adapter, but at least it will work with iPhone 15 and 16 and onward. It will work with Mac OS, Windows, Android, Linux, iPads, all those things. Let's try it with Android as well. They say that it is shock resistant and fanless design, so that's great. Let's see, files, and let's plug it in. Let's see if it shows up here. See, we have 1 terabyte storage right here. You can just paste anything. Isn't it cool? So add storage to your phone with this without any issues. So even for Android, just buy a MagSafe compatible case and you're good to go. And same as your iPhone already has this, so extend it with 1 terabyte. You also have the 2 terabyte versions of it, and transfer 4K videos as you like, right? Isn't it cool? Let me know what you think of it. Again, its price is around $150. It is pricier. For example, I think you can, without MagSafe functionality, you can buy a 2 terabyte one at around $120. It may not be as premium or pretty looking as this one, but you can buy it. And this one, because it is a little cute, pretty design, ergonomically designed, and works with MagSafe, so I think they're charging you extra for it, like $150. But I think for the right people, it is still worth it. So let me know what you think of it. Take care. Bye.